Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nasrullah Aqil bin Abdurrahim. I'm student of Bachelor Mechanical Engineering at UiTM Shah Alam. I would like to present to you my assignment for the course MEC481. So, without further ado, let's go. So, this is the question for my assignment. It asks me to choose one of the sport equipment and explain the following question. These are the question and it has 4 questions. I need to answer it for my assignment. So move on. The sport equipment that I choose is football, or the other name is we call it as soccer ball. There are many types of ball that use in football or soccer ball. So the type of ball that I choose is the ball that used for professional player use during their match. Why I choose this sport equipment? This is because this sport is very famous all over the world, and I believe everyone may have play or watch this sport at the television. And this sport it has requirements for the ball that they use. So the requirements, firstly, the shape. The ball must in sphere shape at diameter between 68 to 70 centimeter. Second, the core. The core must fill with air inside the ball and the pressure is between 0.6 to 1.1 atm at sea level. The third one is the weight. The weight of the ball is between 410 and 450 gram. And the outside material, it must covered with suitable materials such as leather. In this assignment, I will focus the material that used for the outside, that used to cover the ball. So, the material that I suggest is synthetic leather. So, the other name for this synthetic leather is, we can call it as faux leather, artificial leather, fake leather, plater, vegan leather, and many more. The reason I choose this synthetic leather is because synthetic leather is much cheaper than real leather. The price for the ball can be affordable and this is good for the sale because everybody can buy the balls. The demand also can increase and by indirectly the economy of a country will also increase. The second reason, synthetic leather is waterproof and it is good to use this material because this sport also play during rain. So there is no additional weight on the ball that caused by the water infiltration. So the player can play the ball as usual. Next, synthetic leather is soft to the touch compared to the real leather. So this is one of the safety to the players because players' feet did not injured when he kicks the ball and goalkeeper hands during he catch the ball. What are the most important criteria that the material should meet? Although synthetic leather is less durable than real leather, it is resistant to both abrasion and cuts, which makes it an ideal fabric for ball skin. This sport one of the tough game, so the ball must be resistant to all kicks. The shape of the ball is fairer, but there are also patterns on the ball that are stitched from 32 panels and leather, 12 regular pentagons, and 20 regular hexagons. So this is one of the example of the ball. So we can see this shape is one of the pentagon shape and this is one of the hexagon pattern. Beside that, synthetic leather is easy to shape, so the ball is hard to tear out. This is the football timeline. The researcher said that before Christ, the ball made from animal skin. But at 1855, Charles Goodyear created ball made out of rubber. Goodyear. I believe that we had heard this name somewhere. So, Goodyear is one of the famous tire in the world. Founder of the Goodyear chose this name, Goodyear, for his company to make an honor for this person Charles Goodyear because he's the one that found out the processed rubber. So next, at 1862, H.J. Linden developed an inflated rubber bladder. By 1872, the Association Football made a law of the football. So the outer casing must leather or other approved materials. What will be the materials focused in future sport equipment? So in the future, there will be a ball made from nanotechnology. This nanotechnology is focused on manipulating matter on the nanoscale to exploit changes in physical properties to create materials that will be beneficial to society or the ball that has been studied for a long time. With this nanotechnology that will use on the ball, there are many advantages will gain such as high strength, high stiffness, durability, reduced weight, abrasion resistance, and many more for the ball. With these advantages, somehow it will give best result to the football player and football business. Second, the future football will be equipped with chips, sensors, and cameras. In this modern technology, that can be able to track of player whether he kicks, touches, passes, distance covered, playing time, and many more. It is very useful to the coaches because they can manipulate any strategies for their next game. And during the game, the referee also gain benefits to make sure that the match play fairly. One of the example, the technology of VAR that is useful for referees to replay the video to make sure that match is fair. Next, we as audience and fan football will be happy because with this technology, we can get a new perspective. And the huge change is for the players because they can improve their skill, techniques of dribbling and kicking. And that's from me. Thank you for listening and have a good day.